welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. So today I'm going to prepare Nigeria jollof rice. So these the things I'm going to use. I have my blender here. I have my tomatoes, fresh pepper, onions, and the tatashe. So this is my seasoning, and this is my jollof seasoning. Sorry, it's my jollof seasoning. So now I'm going to blend my tomatoes. I'll get back to you guys later. I love you guys. Yeah, this is my meat. I just fry my meat, and this is my onions. This is my jollof seasoning. This is the one I showed you guys before. This is the butter I'm going to use. So we are going to make party rice. So let's get started. I have my oil on the fire. So now let me put the seasoning inside, everything inside. So now I'm going to put a little. Now I'm going to add my salt to it. Just a little bit of salt. So now I'm adding my water, the water I used to boil my meat. I'm adding it to it now. Let me stir it. So now I will cover it to let it boil for about 5 minutes. So guys, I'm going to put my rice inside now. The aroma is so no. The aroma is so nice. Look at the way it sets good. Like that spice is good. The spices I use is just amazing. This is the rice, guys, so I'm going to cover it. I'll let it cook for about 30 minutes. I'll get back to you guys. Let's check our rice now. Wow, look at the aroma. The aroma is so amazing. So it's time to put our butter. Add our butter to it now. So I'll leave it on. So I'm going to cover it. I'll let the butter melt inside. So guys, let's check on our rice. And I'm going to put tomatoes inside and my onions. So I'll cover it or let it cook for about 5 minutes before I remove it. Hello guys, this is party jollof rice is ready. Can you see it? This is my meat. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. See you on my next video. Bye bye. Love you all. Enjoy your Sunday.